Who called you a bad dog? Point them out. I will end them. And what I think I look like when I'm asleep. What I really look like. My sister at home. My sister in public. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar sweet and so are you. But the roses are wilting, the violets are dead. The sugar bowl is empty and so is your head. 1 minute I was sleeping on the pillow, and then poof it exploded. Let's just be thankful I am still alive. Today is the day. I can feel it. Today I will catch the tail. When you are swimming, and something touches your foot. I almost had a heart attack this morning. I wanted to be nice, so I meowed back at my cat. Not sure of what I said, but she has been staring at me like I have superpower. I am liquid cat. Of course I'm in shape. Round is a shape. Welcome to yoga class. Do you think I am fat? Not. You are just a little husky. Excuse me, have you seen my son? Dude, my sister's cat scares me. Oh, you are afraid of getting scratched. I am afraid of getting punched. I saw a mouse in the kitchen this big. My cat looks like he just told his favorite joke, and he is so proud of himself. Get out of my way. I heard the fridge door open. Zoom meeting audio only. Zoom meeting with video.